This is a required monthly test of the emergency alert system. Had this been an actual emergency or dangerous situation, official messages and directions would have followed by your monthly test. This test is brought to you by the Florida Division of Emergency Management, the Florida Association of Broadcasters, and your local broadcast station or cable provider. This concludes the required monthly test.
The nurse has seen this dog. Do you hear the story?
I got 106.9. Is WJGO gonna relay that? There you go, WWGR.
System. Had this been an actual emergency
WJGO.
situation, official messages and directions would have followed the alert tones. This test is brought to you by the Florida Division of Emergency Management, the Florida Association of Broadcasters, the local broadcast station, or cable. This is a required monthly test. Alert system. Had this been an actual emergency or dangerous situation, official messages and directions would have followed the alert tones. This test is brought to you by the Florida Division of Broadcasters and your local broadcast station or cable provider. This concludes the required monthly test.
I already caught Winks. Well, there you have it. Wow. New stations. Yeah, got those RMTs, plus a new station found.